the seat right now.
Did you guys start the video or not yet?
We're starting right now.
Oh shit, what's up guys? So today is round 3 of Lock City Street Series competition. My hood ride just didn't work, unfortunately, so my hood's off like a wiener. Unfortunate. Garrett.
It could be worse. You're gonna come back looking right soon.
I know Mike Lynch is looking at me with disappointment, but Mike, if you're watching, it's alright. I'm making a comeback. But I'm on a new set of tires. I've never drifted on before, which is kind of a dumb move. I should have used them in practice. But yeah, so we'll see how today goes. Honestly, I'm just excited to drift. That like we'll just whatever happens, happens. Mid-practice, someone's wheel fell off.
Yeah, I'm gonna see the wheel right to the driver's door.
That's the worst place to lose it to. It's so scary there. Well, at least it didn't hit a wall.
How's the new track feeling, the new setup?
Oh, it's crazy. So it's like, it makes you drive it completely different. I kept driving as if like the clipping points have been there since the last 2 comps and all of yesterday, driving just like that. This, I'm going way wider and I'm using way more angle. Like I'm just like, this is weird, you know what I mean? Like, which scary because you have a way more likely chance of spinning out. Besides that, just like that outer clipping point is super weird. It's like no one hit it, no one has been hitting it, and it's because it feels weird. But it's great. Everything's great. I think it's messing everyone up. It's like the last outer clipping point, the second to last overall. It ruins the whole flow of the track. So.
You have to set your lineup so well.
You have to disrupt your line to hit it, which is like, but whatever. I mean, it's cool, it's a different challenge, so.
Pre-qualifying words.
I hope I don't suck. kept going.
I know. Everybody loves it.
I know. I figured everyone would like it. Hey, it's a show, right?
It's great.
That was fun. That felt really fun. That was a really
We
good
had an
run.
82.
Yeah, let's get through qualifying and see what we placed. I'm definitely not second or first, so but I might be third. But
Better than fourth.
Better than fourth.
Progressing.
Hey, I'll take all the points, you know.
You're doing good. You killed it.
Thanks for making fun of my tan line. I was trying to blend it today. It's not blending?
Are you serious?
God damn it. See, but if I wore a hat, it would get like twice as bad though.
It's so bad.
It's so embarrassing.
97 points.
Oh my god.
Jordan, third.
That's a lot to me.
He's on his LZ shit.
87 points. Rob Brzezinski. 82 points. James Oakes.
Sick. All right, so I actually did place third, which is cool. I'm happy. I'll take the points for third. So now I'm going to be battling against Kevin Pham, who is a really good driver. So we'll see what happens.
25 years old. See what these guys do. Those drivers coming up. Slipping up right there. Jimmy's pulling away. Throwing that out of zone. Looking into the midsection.
Let's go!
Let's see what Kenny says. He's going to wave of the hand. Let's see what Kenny says.
Yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
I'm shook.
That was so good, dude.
Was it good?
So good. You dove in so hard on the chase. It was so...
I was a little nervous.
Dude,
Yeah.
perfect.
That was fun.
Gas.
That was really fun.
Super good.
That was so much fun.
Really
Kevin's an
good.
awesome driver, so honestly,
that's-
it made it easy for me because he's so predictable, because he's such a good driver. So
Fire, fire.
Woo! Man, this is Final Four. We're in the Final Four now. We got YouTube Jimmy Oakes versus Tin Can Motors Paul Wall. Oh, Star Wars. Jimmy Oakes got hard foot. Ball right there. Coming from the clubhouse corner. Ball's going forward back. He's throwing kind of deep. Nice midfield action.
What is that, top 4
Top
now?
4 right
Made it to
here.
the top
Top
4. You're gonna go and have an intermission?
No, I don't
No,
know.
actually they're going right into it, so we'll see what
Straight
happens.
into it. Oh my god, I need a
Top
drink.
4.
Let's go!
How's it feel
So
over
stoked.
there?
I was tripping. I was like, oh no, oh no.
There we go.
And then I saw him throw that entry.
happened
When I
back
saw him throw the entry, I was like, oh yeah.
Shook. I was so mad because the first time, like he was like a mile ahead of me before he even got to the like entrance, and I was like, come on, come on. So I tried to I sent it as fast as I physically could into the entrance and almost went off track. And like I was like, that's no fair. I was like, we didn't get to start next to each other. So when we came around for the second time, I was on him because he was fucking hauling ass.
Let's see what happens. Got a rod right there. That's good. Jimmy's leading the way, putting the car in right places. I don't know. Rubbing him up. See what we got a Rob with the win. Turbocharged 600, turbocharged 700. Nice one for that, Jimmy. Go right there, though. Go right there. Coming in midfield. A little bit. Joe's throwing that out of his own. Go, Jimmy, taking it down to the right. Give it up for that. That was a great battle. Must meet,
What do you think, Bob?
I'm happy. I don't want to complain. I was like, I'm really happy with my driving. I can't believe I spun on the lead run. I didn't spin all day, of course. I think that would have been a pretty close battle though if I didn't spin. But I think I might be low on gas because like even Jay noticed it because he said something to me. When I was entering, it took like you could see it took forever to get back on the gas. I think that hard swing was like putting all whatever gas I had left on the side of the tank because like my car would be dead for a second and I had to like. Yeah, I was like wrapping it up and it would start and I was just like, okay, this is just I thought it was my throttle response because of the heat soak, but at this point like it got worse, so I figured I think it's the gas, but whatever. I'm happy. 4th place. No, is it open drift right now? Oh shit, fill up. Yeah. I do one lap with Steph because she hasn't got a ride on the circuit. But I took you on the other day, right? Like my car broke.
Yeah. No, yeah, it broke down.
It broke, and then I went to go enter, and I don't know what happened, but the whole like cutting off thing, it got like worse. And I think I just broke a tie rod, or I think I just bent the tie rod. I like understeered into the entry, which I've like never done, and then I completely just ate the apex, and so I might have bent the tie rod because this does not feel right. I don't know. We like, I wish we filmed it. We literally ate the apex, and after that, my car understeered the whole track, and I'm like, oh, this is sick.
Not fun.
But we're gonna call out. Screw this. I'm gonna load this up before I break something.
Is that all you do?
Yeah. Guys, so I don't know what was filmed. That was Steffi's.
You say that every time.
The video was probably
Have
great.
birthday.
Today was sick. I already said it. Though I can't get out of 4th place. It was the best driving I've done on here so far, and so it really feels good to improve. Unfortunately, my car was like stalling on the D-style because of the gas, but it's whatever. Now I know better. Keep it above half tank, we're good to go. But that was cool. I'm really excited for the next one, and honestly, like, placed 4th, qualified 3rd, so I should get a decent amount of points. So I should be,
You can be great.
I should be up there. So I'm happy with
You're
that.
still
So
up there.
this weekend was sick. So much drifting. I'm so burnt out.
How long will you be in bed for in the next like 24 hours?
Not long enough. So we're gonna go home, sleep, edit this video, and get back to it all. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Steffi.
Have a great day, everybody.